Hello, it's Clorinda here, HubSpot strategist at BBD Boom, and this month a surplus of amazing product updates for you guys. So I've picked the top three, which are very, very big updates. Hopefully you will love them and start using them. The first one is about object to object same object to object association. So what this basically means is prior to this, you can associate contacts with companies, contacts with deals, but you cannot associate a contact with a contact or a company to a company. And now you can. I imagine if you are using HubSpot or have used it for a while, there are so many use cases you can probably think of straight away. If you go to LinkedIn, there is so many posts about this update because everybody has wanted this for a very long time. But I'm going to show you an example of how this works. So this is currently still in public beta, so you will need to opt in the product updates, which you can find under the product updates option here. Once you've done that, you will see that you can now associate contacts with contacts. To do that, go to contacts and then let's just click on the random contact for now. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you've got the ability to create a contact. Now, let's go back to the settings, and another thing you can do with this great feature is the association labels. Now you'll notice that under the object association labels, you now have the option to add labels for context to context. So an association label is a way for you to label the actual reason you're associating the contexts or objects to each other. Now in this case, I'm just going to skip that. Let's say we are associating two contacts to each other. One is a line manager of the other. You can actually set up a singular label, which basically link to each other. So for example, it's a really good example here, colleagues. Or you can have a pair of labels that link one to the other. So let's say I want to do employee and manager. I can do that here and then create that, which is great. Now I'm going to go back to my contacts and just select a random person. This one here. Okay, I'm going to associate this contact with someone else. So let's pick a random person again. Sam Test, let's go with that. Now you can then add your association. So let's say Julia is the manager of Sam. Now what will happen is if you click onto Sam's record, you can see the association labels here. If I click onto Sam's record, you'll see that Julia is now an employee of Sam. So yeah, great update. Lots of use cases. A few other examples that I've seen that are really good is on the contact side, things like professional development relationships are great. On the company side, things like having a vendor or supplier linked to a company is a really good use case. On the deal side, if you've got like deal categories that link to other smaller deals, that would be really useful. So many use cases, very exciting update. So give it a try. Let me know what you think.